Hello, please let's come back to class. I don't know what happened to the first session. The thing just froze and I couldn't gain access to it again. This is the Igbo Tutor live, wherever you are and you want to learn Igbo language on the go, free of charge. Here is where you should be at this moment. I am the Igbo Tutor, Mazi Okafor. So wherever you are born by Igbo parents, you're married to Igbo, you have Igbo partners and Igbo fiancé or fiancé, you are married to Igbo, you are born outside Igbo land, wherever you are, and you're interested in learning Igbo language, you'll be watching videos on Igbo language, but you cannot really speak. This is a practical session for you. This is where we practice what we have learned over time. This is where we challenge ourselves to speak Igbo language, listen to Igbo language spoken to us live, and then respond to it accordingly, showing that we understand what is being said. So wherever you are, this is where to be. This is the Igbo Tutor live. Here we learn Igbo language raw, direct, free for everyone interested. So come to class now. As you join this class, just drop a chat in the comments in the chat section. Say ndewo, say dalo. Okay, this is Oluwa Timile Esther ndewo. Okay, I have Sherry Mango. So you just drop a chat. Let's know, pick your name, drop your greetings to you, and then welcome you officially to class. So feel free to learn. You have Igbo friends, neighbors around you. You have Igbo boyfriend and girlfriend or fiancé. Why not learn Igbo language? Let's do it together. Igbo Amaka. Igbo is very good. So let's go. I'm waiting for Dr. Abdullahi to join back this class back as we continue. So I say, Oluwa Timileni. No, that is how we say welcome in Igbo. No, Oluwa Timileni. Okay, Oluwa Timileni means God is behind me, pushing me forward to make progress. I hope I got that correctly. Oluwa Timileni, am I right? Obezioku, is that true? Is that the meaning of your name? If it is true, you say A, that is yes in Igbo, double E. A, okay, write that now. Okay, I say write A is not yes. A, that is yes in Igbo. Okay, that's what you should write. Excellent. Let's go. All right, so we begin right away. Those of you in the class, do well to drop a chat. In the chat, say no, ndewo, dalo. Just say something. That is the only way you can mark your register of attendance. That's the only way we can know you are in the class. We'll pick your name and greet you back, okay? This is, 3 NNS. This, your name is wonderful. Ibolachi, yes. Ndewo nwanne, Abolam Chike Makage. How about you? Adema, let's go to class right away. I'm still waiting for Dr. Blahi. What we do here practically is to listen to Igbo language spoken to you, and you try to comprehend what is said in Igbo language and repeat it or translate it into English in the chat to show that you understood what was said in Igbo. And then the teacher will now correct everybody where we are wrong. Today, we're going to do a conversation within 30 minutes concerning I want something. I want to go out. That's the conversation today. Just a brief one. So I begin. So you listen to me. Ndewo, okay, Stanley Martins. Ndewo na class yani. So you listen to me. I will speak Igbo. You listen. The first thing is to comprehend what I've said by listening attentively to the sound of the words, and then try to know if you understood what I said, and then you repeat it by translating it in text in the chat, what I've said. Then we'll move on from there. If it's wrong, I'm going to correct everybody. Okay, let's start. Are we ready to go? Yes, let's go. I will say the first sentence today is Achọrọ m ịpụ. Achọrọ m ịpụ. Achọrọ m ịpụ. What did I say? Achọrọ m ịpụ. What did I say? Write what I have said in English in the chat. Don't repeat what I said in Igbo. Show you understood what I said by writing it in English in the chat. Achọrọ m ịpụ. Okay, Martins has written Stanley. We got Sherry Mango. We got 3 NNS. Okay, you just wrote I want. I think the rest, you couldn't get the rest. Okay, that's fine. Any other person trying out? What about Oluwa Timileni? What did you say about this? Achọrọ m ịpụ. Achọrọ m ịpụ. Oluwatimileni, what did you say? What does that mean? Achọrọ m ịpụ. What does that mean? Achọrọ m ịpụ. Yes, no idea. Oluwatimileni, I don't know. Okay. But let me also tell you how to write I don't know in Igbo language. That is how we do it here. Okay. When you don't know, you write it like this. Amaim. Okay. You write amaim. That is I don't know. So you don't write English here. Okay. Oluwatimileni. So you say amaim. I don't know. Is that right? Oluwatimileni. That's good. So let's go mark the script. I achọrọ m ịpụ. And then Stanley said, good afternoon, or I want to leave. That's correct. I want to leave, I want to go out. Sherry Mango, I want to go out. Both of you are correct. Great. Both of you are correct. Yes, that's excellent. That's excellent, Esther. Excellent. Amaim. But even that in Amaim, the I behind the GH has dot under. But my computer is not giving me that now. So that's why I wrote normal I. You should have dot under it. Amaim. Okay? But the two people got our answer here, right? Which is Martins and Sherry Mango. Achorom Ipu. I want to leave or I want to go out. But what I also do here is that whenever I say something, I write it in Igbo. Because of those who are writing notes, they will be able to update their own notes. Okay? So you see exactly what I've said in Igbo here. So you update your notes in case you are writing Achọrọ m ịpụ, and then you write the meaning as we all agree. I want to leave or I want to go out. My ịpụ should have dot under the I and under the U. But my computer is not giving me dot under I. I don't know why. So let's go. Second sentence. Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Oh, kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? Let me put it that way. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? That's what I just said. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? Write what I've said in English. Don't repeat it in Igbo, whether you know it or not. Just translate it, okay, and write it in English. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? Okay, and then three NNS has already written. Okay, I'm waiting for others. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? I got one response already. What are the rest doing? Sherry Mango is in. Okay, I wait for others to drop in their answers. Sherry Mango is in. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? Yes, yes, yes. Who else is saying something? I got two responses. 3 NNS. Sherry Mango. What about my friend Esther? How about who else? How about Martin Stanley? What do you say? Okay. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? Let's go there. Please remember to share this live class with your friends and contact. Just share it out and then hit the like button beside my channel name. That will be appreciated so that YouTube can show it to more people. So hit the like button and then hit the share button and share it to your contact. Please do that for us. Thank you for doing that. Email. Let's go. I got two responses. Is that all? Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? Got two responses. No one is coming again. Timile Esther is not coming in. Stanley Martins is not coming in. What is going on here? Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? Should I mark the scripts? Is that all the responses we are getting from this? Kedu ebe ị chọrọ ịga? If you are seeing me now and you are interested in practical Igbo speaking, this is where we are and this is what we do here every Saturday. So join us to learn Igbo on the go, practical, and then free at this time, okay? So why not? If you cannot, why not? Just join us. Let's learn together. It's a community of learners. You learn from me, you learn from your colleagues, you learn from everybody around. You push yourself to limits, you get better. One thing is sure, you can't come to class and go by the same way. You must always learn something, okay? Let's go. Yes, I'm waiting for others. Where are you? No more answers coming in. Should I assume that that's all we have? Kedebe ichoro iga. Or is it network that is playing games again? Kedebe ichoro iga. Yeah, is it network is playing game again on us? This class was scheduled for only channel members, but due to network, we made it open class in the second session, and that's why you are lucky to see us now. Otherwise, you won't see us. So who else is responding? No one? Okay, maybe I should go on to mark the script if there is no one coming up again with an answer. Okay? If you don't know it, you just say, am I in? That way, we will not wait for you. We go to the next sentence. Instead of, keeping quiet, just write, am I in? Okay? That helps us to know we are not waiting for you again. That will enable us to move to marking and moving to the next sentence. Okay? That is the rule here. So, Martin, are you still here? Are you still with us? Esther, are you still here? If you are still here, please confirm. Drop a confirmation. Esther and Martin, are you still in the class? Are you still with us? I'm waiting for your response. Esther, Martin, are you still here? Are you still in the class? I'm waiting for Esther and Martin to confirm. Okay. 3NN say, Mba, okay, you are no more in the class. Is that what you are saying? You are leaving. It's been a while. Try new phone link features. Open. What is that? So 3NN news, okay. Ndo achọrọ ịpụ ọrụ. Ga-abịa oge ọzọ. Okay. And then news is going out to work. He say you'll come back next time. Thank you for joining this time around. Okay, Kemaka Esther, are you still in the class? Esther, are you still here with us? Emailer, okay, Dalwana. Okay, I get you right. Esther, are you still in the class? Esther, Oluwatimileni, are you still in the class? Let's know if you are still in the class. Okay, while I'm waiting for Esther's response, if you just join our class, our live class, indicate you are here. Just drop a greetings, write Ndewo, no, Daalu, well done, no, just write something. That's the way we can know you are here and pick your name and drop our greetings or respond to your greetings. That's very important to us. All right, the last sentence I made is Achorom. Okay, Keduebi Choriga, and somebody translated it. 3NN said, where do you want to go? Which is correct. Sherry Mango wrote, where do you want to go? Correct. Both of you are very correct. Yeah. Now, let's answer this question. You will answer the question by yourself. And let's see how you answer the question. Just make an effort to reply this question in Igbo language. Say, I want to go this place or that place. Just mention any place name and write it in Igbo that I want to go to so place. Make an effort. Don't worry whether it is right or wrong, because I'm going to correct you eventually if it is wrong. But just make an effort. Just try to write, I want to go to so place in Igbo language in the chat. Make an effort. Let's go. Sherry Mango, are you there? Do that. Reply to that question. Make an effort. Okay? Oluwatimile is say, am I in? That's fine. Okay, let somebody else. Sherry Mango, are you there? Make an effort. Right? I want to go to either market, work, school, anywhere. Just write. Anything you want to write. Okay, Sherry Mango say, Achorom Iga Isi obodo Ghana. Woo, that's great. That's great. Achorom Iga Isi obodo Ghana. Sherry Mango, you are improving, and that's the challenge. Esther, Sherry Mango is also a Yoruba lady like you, but she has improved so much with us. So stick with us, come around with us. But you can see Sherry Mango's name. He has a star at the head of his name, which shows he's a channel member. So for you to gain access to our live class every Saturday, you need to join our channel membership. You will see if you are in Nigeria, it's very cheap. I don't know where you are. Esther, are you in Nigeria or outside Nigeria? Are you in Nigeria? Or you are outside Nigeria? Okay, you are in Nigeria. Are you in Nigeria? Or US, UK, Canada, Austria? Where are you? Esther? Because if you are in Nigeria, the subscription is very cheap, 2,000 naira per month. But if you are outside Nigeria, it's going to be more than that because YouTube will determine the price depending on your location. But if you are in Nigeria, just 2,000 naira, you can be learning every Saturday, free of charge. You also get free ebook every month, okay, as part of the package, okay. And the ebook itself costs more than the subscription fee on its own. So you can see that it's like free class, okay. So Esther, where are you learning from? Let me know that. So let's go and answer that question. Sherry Mango wrote, Achọrọ m ịga isi obodo Ghana. Whoa, I like that. So, and that answer is excellent. But let me first write the question in Igbo before the answer. Okay, that is the rule here. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ. My issue have dot under it, but my laptop is failing on that. Kedu ebe ị chọrọ. Iga, same thing, Iga. The I should have dot under it. This is a question. Kedebe chọrọ Iga. And then Sherry Mango is correct when she said, Achọrọ m ịga isi obodo Ghana. This means I want to go to capital of Ghana. That is advanced Igbo. Capital of Ghana. Sherry Mango, you have really advanced. You have grown in this act. I want to go to capital of Ghana. That's what Sherry Mango wrote. Achọrọ m ịga. I want to go. Esther, listen carefully now. Achọrọ m is I want. Ịga is to go. Okay. Isi obodo is the capital of a nation. Obodo is a nation or a country. Isi is the head. So Isi obodo is the capital. And he wrote Isi obodo Ghana, Ghana capital or capital of Ghana. Okay. Is that clear, Esther? Is that clear? Esther, do you understand all the interpretation? Do you get it? Did you get it right? I'm waiting for Esther to respond, whether she got all I explained on the interpretation of the sentence made by Sherry Mango and the question itself. Okay, you have to update your record, have a writing material to write that will help you so much. Yes, waiting for Esther's response on that. No response yet from Esther. Okay, I go on to the next question there, or the next sentence. And the question is, Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime? Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? This is a long sentence anyway. Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? Okay? Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? Write what I've said in English. Translate it to English. It's an Igbo sentence. Listen to me, comprehend it, translate it in the chat. Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? Write what I've just said in English in the chat. Okay? Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? Esther said, Sherry Mango said she's going to the capital of Ghana in Igbo language. Achọrọ m ịga isi obodo Ghana. I now follow up with a question. Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? What did I just say? Yes? Who will help us with that? Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? Let's go. Yes, who will break it down? Sherry Mango again. Where are you going inside that place? Okay, good try. Any other person? Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? Okay. Oh yeah, Esther, you are in Nigeria. Very easy for you. Very cheap. after the class, or even as this class is going on, hit the chat. I think after the class or this class going on, go to look at my home page. You see join, or it may be below the screen as you are on this live class. You see join, black round, tab that is written join inside. You hit it, you just display a page for, payment of 2,000 naira to join our channel membership. That's all. You just put in your card details and pay. You become a channel member. You have a star against your name. Okay? And that gives you access to free class every Saturday. It gives you free ebook every month, and the ebook has audio, downloadable audio in it. So it is like free gift for you. It's like having free class for you. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay? That is a double advantage for Nigerians. But for diaspora, they pay more. Some of them pay up to $7 or thereabout. For the same thing, you are getting free. Okay? So take advantage of that today. We also have private classes for those who want. We run private classes for those who want. Okay? If you want, take advantage of that too. If you want to send us email, which is theigbotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor is our channel name, no space, @gmail.com. Thank you for that. All right. Anybody still trying this? The question is, gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? And I say we should translate that to to English, and write the meaning in the chat. One person have done that, Sherry Mango. Why are you going inside that place? Ime is not Ime. Okay? I think you missed that translation. You said you are going to Ghana, capital of Ghana. I now followed up with a question. Let me write what I said in Igbo first. And this is, I don't know, my I with dot under is failing me here. Otherwise, this question should have dot under the two I's. Gịnị ka, even in Aga, the E there should also have dot under it, the I. Inaga ime ebe ahụ. Okay, this is what I said. Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? This actually means, what are you going there to do? What are you? You say you are going to Ghana capital. What? Oh, Dr. Blahi, you are back. Thank God. Oh, I've been expecting you since now. We've gone so far. You didn't join back. What are you going to do there? That is what I asked. What are you going to do there? You say you are going to capital of Ghana. And I now ask, Gịnị ka ị na-aga ime ebe ahụ? And then doctor say, what do you going to do there? Almost there. But it means, what are you going? Naga is going. Ime, to do. Okay? Ebe ahụ. All right. Okay, Dr. Blah, he went for prayers. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry for that. Okay. So, we're moving on. We've answered that question. Okay. Everybody has supplied the answer. Okay. And then I asked another question that is following it. And the question is, Olee mgbe ị ga-aga? Olee mgbe ị ga-aga? Olee mgbe ị ga-aga? These words are used for question in Igbo. Olee, gịnị, kedu. 3 of them are used for asking questions in Igbo, depending on which one is more convenient for you and is more appropriate for that question. Okay, when you are asking a question about time or period, Ole is most appropriate for it. You don't say gịnị mgbe, no, but you can say kedu mgbe or ole mgbe, but you don't say gịnị mgbe. It doesn't work. So when you are asking a question about time or period, you use ole or kedu. Okay, so in this case, I use ole mgbe ị ga-aga ebe ahụ. Okay, Dr. Blai has responded. I think Nake is trying to come in with an answer. Oh, Nake is in. I didn't even see his response. Where are you going to do there? Oh, you are the one that said, where are you going to do there? I thought it was Sherry Mango. Oh, yeah. I didn't know when you joined. Sorry about that. I didn't know when you joined. I didn't welcome you officially. Or you did not greet us when you joined. Okay, Sherry Mango also answer, why are you going inside that place? Sherry Mango also answer before Nake. All right, Dr. Blahi now return back. Right. Okay. The question I ask is, olee mgbe ị ga-aga ebe ahụ? Okay, let's see answers. Dr. Blahi said, when will you go? Good effort. When will you go? Good effort. Nake said, when will you go? Good effort. Sherry Mango said, which time will you go? Perfect. Excellent. So, but there is something you are missing. I said, olee mgbe ị ga-aga ebe ahụ? So, you are not completing the sentence. Olee mgbe ị ga-aga ebe ahụ? So, almost all of you are right, but you didn't complete the sentence. Dr. Blind said, when will you go? Which is also correct, but you didn't complete the sentence. What about ebe ahụ? That is part of the sentence. Nake wrote, when will you go? And stopped. What about ebe ahụ? Sherry Mango wrote, which time will you go? He stopped there also. You didn't put ebe ahụ. So your sentences are incomplete, but they are good efforts. So all you need to add is ebe ahụ, which is there. Okay? That will make the sentence complete. So it should be olee mgbe. Almost all of you got it right. Olee mgbe ị na-aga ebe ahụ, which is there. Okay, ebe ahụ is there. Okay, almost all of you got it perfectly well. All of you. Okay. So can you answer that question by yourself? Tell us when you are going there. Let's use day. Don't use time. Use day. Say, I will go there so day, so day. Either week or day. Use just period. Don't use time. No need for time. Use day. Choose a day for yourself when you want to go to that place. And tell us, I will go so day. Write that in Igbo language. Write that in Igbo language. I will go so day. Write that in Igbo language. Okay, let's go. Write that in Igbo language. I will go so day. Write in Igbo language. You are answering the question now in Igbo language. Tell us the day. Don't use time. Just use day. The day you want to go there. The day you are going there. That's all. Let's go. Who is answering first? Who is answering this question first? Yes. Tell us when you are going there. Let's go there. Tell us when you are going there. Yes. Tell us when you are going there. Tell us when you want to go there. Yes, I'm waiting. Who is answering first? Who is dropping the answer first? Say, I will go so day. I will go so day. Okay? Let's go. I will go so day. Nobody has answered. What is going on? I'm waiting. Who is answering first? Who is dropping the answer first? Yes. Is that a network or what? What is holding you down? Or you are typing? I assume you are typing the answer. Just type, I will go so time or so date. Esther, are you still in the class? Oluwatimilei, are you still in the class? Please confirm if you are still in the class, Esther. Yes. I know it's a little bit advanced for you. I understand that, but just confirm if you are still in the class. Oh, C for cat. Hey, today you come to class. For long I've not seen you in class. So what happened? Dr. Blythe said I've answered. Oh, that's wonderful, Esther. I'm happy to hear that you are still in the class. Are you learning? Do you think you are learning something, Esther? Dr. Blythe said I've answered. Okay, Anna. Okay, I've seen your answer, Dr. Blythe. I wait for other people. Oh, Nake has answered. Sherry Mango has answered. Dr. Blythe has answered. Great one. Okay, study in my master's. Oh, I see. You are very, very busy. Yes, I have answered. I've seen your answer, Nake. Nake wrote, Aga m aga ebe ahụ echi. Whoa, that's wonderful. That means I will go there tomorrow. Aga m aga ebe ahụ echi. Sherry Mango wrote, Aga m aga mene ahụ. No, ta. Cherry Mango, you missed your sentence. You missed it. But the ta is okay. Ta means today. But your sentence is not properly structured. Dr. Blythe, ana m aga ebe ahụ. Tuesday, ụbọchị Tuesday. You should just put ụbọchị Tuesday. Okay, ebe ahụ. But your ebe ahụ should be one E, not double E, Dr. Blythe. Ana. But you did not put anam. You just wrote anaga. You missed something in your answer, Dr. Blythe. You say anam, I will. That is anam. Dr. Blythe, that's how it should be. Anam. That is I will. Then aga. Then ebe is one E, not two E. One E, EBE. Okay? EBE. I'm still on Dr. Blythe. Then you now put ahu separate. Okay? Ahu. Eba, that place. Okay? Dr. Blythe wrote Tuesday. But you have to put Ubochi Tuesday. Okay? That will make it better. Ubochi. And then you can as well Igbonize Tuesday. You can Igbonize it. And then wrote it as Tuesday. So we can Igbonize those things. If you don't know the Igbo name for Tuesday, you just Igbonize it to Tuesday. All right. So that for Dr. Blythe, I've talked about Sherry Mango, Agamaga, Agam. Sherry Mango, you put your M where you're not supposed to be. Your M should be in front. Look at my correction, Sherry Mango. Your M is in the wrong place. Okay? And then your Ebe is not okay. And then Ta, but your Ta is correct, which is today. Right. Sherry Mango, did you hear what I said? Is it correct? Wow. My Yoruba people are showing much interest in this language. They are doing very well. Dr. Blythe, Yoruba, Sherry Mango, Yoruba, Oluwatimile in Yoruba. These guys want to push Igbo people out of this language. Oh my God. Serious. Okay, that's lovely. We love you guys. Okay, let's go. We're almost driving to the end. So then I would say Biko zutaram oroma ebe ahụ. Biko zutaram oroma ebe ahụ. What did I say? Right? What I've said in English. Biko zutaram oroma ebe ahụ. What did I say? Write it in English. Biko zutaram oroma ebe ahụ. Let's go. C for cats wrote something already. Answer is in. Okay, C for cat has answered. Cherry Mango has answered. Okay, who else is coming in with the answer? I got 2 answers already. Biko zutaram oroma ebe ahụ. Dr. Blythe is in with the answer. Who else is answering? I got C for cat, Sherry Mango, Dr. Blahi, Biko, zụtara oroma ebe ahụ. Biko, zụtara oroma ebe ahụ. I got 3 responses already. I believe others have been delayed by network. Biko, zụtara oroma ebe ahụ. Yes. Biko, zụtara oroma ebe ahụ. Okay, Nnake is in, so I have C for cat, I have Sherry Mango, I have Dr. Blai, I have Nnake. Who else? Where is, okay, who else has not answered? Who else? Okay, let's mark the script. Good effort. Esther, are you following? Esther, dear sister Esther, are you following? Are you writing? First, let me write what I've said in Igbo for those who are writing like Esther. Biko zụtara oroma ebe ahụ. That is what I said. So for those who are writing the Igbo version and then translating. Okay, let's mark the script now and see what we got. C for cat. Please buy me an orange from there. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay. Sherry Mango, please buy orange from me at that place. Stay correct, stay correct. That's stay correct. And then Dr. Blind, please buy orange from there. Something is missing. Zutaram is buy from me. Then Ebahu is from there. So Zutaram, Dr. Blind, that is missing. You say, please buy orange from there, but you didn't put buy it from me. So Zutaram is buy from me. If it is just buy orange from there, I will say, because Zuta orange, Zuta oroma Ebahu. I'm not talking about buying from me. I will say, because Zuta oroma Ebahu. But once I say Zutaram, I put M there, put R-A, and then M is buy for me. That is for Dr. Blahi. Nake, please buy me an orange there, correct? Esther, please buy me an orange from there, for me there. Okay, buy me an orange for me there. You are repeating it. It's almost repeated. Buy me an orange there. So for me, there is only that again. Good effort, Esther. Okay. Because Zutaram Oromeba. Okay, that's what I wrote. I made correction. Good one. Okay, Dr. Blahi, for me. Okay, you made correction. That's fine. Now, you will ask me this question. How much own should I buy? How much own should I buy? Let me see who can get that in Igbo. How much orange should I buy? How much orange should I buy? Let me challenge your brain. How much orange should I buy? Let me know those who are senior students in this class. Nnake should be able to do that now. Nnake family. Sherry Mango, I hope you are going to try that. How much orange should I buy? C for cat, I think should try that also. If he's still in the class, C for cat should be able to do that. Okay, how much orange should I buy? C for cat, are you still in the class? Yeah, you are still in the class. I believe you should be able to try that. How much orange should I buy? Okay, see if I can say I have no idea. That's okay. That's okay. Nnake, ole oroma kam gazuta. I say Nnake should be able to try it at least. Sherry Mango too. I know you are going to try. Ole oroma ki kwesi izu. Good one. Good effort. I like that. Okay. Ole, it should be double E-O. It's not ole. Okay. How? Okay. Ole oroma. It's still okay. It's still okay. Ole oroma. Okay. How much? How much orange? I'm talking about, when we say how much, we're talking about money, not just number. It's money. Much. How much of it? The orange of how much should I buy? Okay. So we are talking about money value for the orange. This is the way it should be written. Oroma egole kam gazuta. So I'm asking the question for everybody now because I know it's difficult. Oroma egole kam gazuta. That is the answer. Oroma ego ole kam gazuta. How much of orange should I buy or will I buy? Actually, should I buy is future tense. Gazuta is future. Okay. How much of orange should I buy? Oroma ego ole kam gazuta. Is it clear for everybody? Please confirm if you get that right. Update your records. Okay. Update your record. And then I say, I now answer your question. Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. Okay. Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. What did I say? C for cat is in. Okay. Okay, you don't know what is nari. Okay, we shall know that now. Okay. Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. Write that in English, what I just said. Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. Let's go. I got one answer from C for cat. What are the rest saying? Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. Yes, Cherry Mango is in. I like that you answer. Oh, that's wonderful. Narị naira abụọ. Challenge. Igbo numbers. Buy me 102. Don't be smart, Esther. I like your efforts. Okay. Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. Where is Nake now? Nake should be able to write this very perfectly well. We have done numbers to 1,000. There is nothing difficult for you to write in this one. Yes, so Esther, make we laugh. It's good we have to have fun. Not be by force. Not be fight matter. Let's have fun. All right. The important thing is that you learn at the end of the day. Okay. So where is Nake? I want you to answer this question now. Cherry Mango has made attempts. I'm waiting for Nake. Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. Narị naira abụọ. I just need to have answer from Nake before I supply the answer. Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. Let's go. This is the last question and contribution for this. Okay. My answer. What is your answer, Dr. Blind? You say, buy for me orange. You've deleted it. Buy for me orange worth 100 naira. And I've seen your answer, but it's not yet correct. I'm waiting for Nake's answer. Buy me 200. What is 200? Buy me 200. You didn't complete the, okay, you are almost there, but you didn't complete the sentence. Zụtara nke narị naira abụọ. Let me write the sentence the way it should be. Yeah, that is Zụtara nke narị. That narị should have dot under the I. Okay, naira abụọ. So it's actually 200 naira, which is correct. So, which is by the one that is nke. the one of, okay, or the one for 200 naira, okay? So nari is 100. Nari in Igbo is 100. So nari abuo is 200. So I say nari naira, which is our money, abuo, 200 of our money, 200 naira. So Nake got it before Esther copied that too. So that is where we are drawing the curtain today. We started very late. I started by 3 o'clock. There was nobody in my other class for the members of the channel before we now restarted again. And we had network problem there. We have to pull back again and restart. So if you are in this class today and you are not yet our channel member, do well to subscribe to our channel membership, because why not naira, boa naira? No, it doesn't go well like that in Igbo order. It's nare naira, boa. It's not nare boa naira. No, it doesn't go. It looks reasonable in English order, but in Igbo it doesn't flow like that. Okay, nare naira boa. It's not nare boa naira. Okay. So I want to thank those of you who are here. I do believe that those of you who are not yet our channel members, you join that. Esther, do that. That will be of help to you. It's almost free for you if you do that. For book, it's more than even the price of the membership for Nigerians. So do that as we end the class. I'm here to get your latest ebook. Why? Why have you not got that, Dr. Blahi? Go to your membership check pack, open it up, and then do the needful and download your book. It's there. I've not removed it even for this new month. So go get your book if you've not done that. It's still there before I pull it down. Okay. And then I also posted video on how to get the book in our Telegram group. So you can go listen to it again if you forgot how to get your book done or downloaded. And then I expect other people to join our membership. Esther, do that at the end of the class. I want to appreciate you guys for your time and your readiness to learn every time. Sherry Mango, thank you for being here today. We'll be missing you all along. So appreciate all you guys. You do well to, if you know you've learned something today from your teacher, you do well to drop an emoji, clapping emoji, thumbs up emoji, give us super sticker, give us super chat if you think we deserve that. And then let's round up the class right away. So thank you for being here today. I want to see you again next Saturday, but it's going to be by 2 p.m., not 3 p.m. Today class, we extended it by 1 hour because I had other engagements that delayed me. So I shifted it by 1 hour. I don't know whether that affected the class or not, because many of us didn't come to class by 3 p.m. that I scheduled the class. But all the same, at least most of you came back later. So thank you very much. See for Kat, appreciate your gift. Appreciate that. God bless you for your show of love, for your sticker. So that's the much we can take today. See you again next Saturday as always. I hope you'll be in good shape, happy and strong while we learn again together. Okay, Messiah. See you then. Okay.